This is the Alana Mitchell Antibacterial Cleansing Facial Brush. I made this product because I wanted you to have a really handy brush to thoroughly cleanse your skin at night so you remove your makeup and so all your other skincare products can work that much better. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about the cleansing facial brush and how to use it. This brush is eco-friendly and antibacterial. The bristles are super soft and this is organic bamboo handle. Now when you use this product, you can use with a cleanser and you simply do nice, gentle circular motions, rinse off, and then do your second cleansing, more cleanser, rinse off, and then you dry off just simply by putting it in your drawer and you're good. You've done your 2 cleansings with the antibacterial cleansing facial brush. This brush is for all skin types. It's super lightweight and of course, very easy to use.